Dear friends, today on the homeopathy subject, we will discuss on bruise and sprains. Sprain means some dislocation in the bones or nerves. There is a proverb, not a proverb, a fact. What is it? Sprain is more complicated, more troublesome than fracture. If a fracture is there, it can be cured by putting a bandage and movement can be arrested so that the bone will become, it will be set in 40 to 50 days. Whereas sprain is not like that. Sprain is more complicated than fracture. Why? Here we move the parts of the body. If the sprain is in the hand, we will move it. Even though there is swelling, if no fracture means, we will try to move it. Then the difficult comes, it will not be adjusted. Likewise, a sprain is there in the feet, naturally he won't keep quiet. If fracture is there, he will not move and sit or lie down. But if there is sprain, he will not keep quiet. He will walk. He will try to walk. He will move. So this sprain will become more troublesome and time will take to cure. To effect a cure, it takes nearly 40 to 50 days. Likewise, bruises means swellings, hard injuries, but blood won't come. There will be a tough injury inside the part of the body. There will be a swelling, and the trouble is, it accompanies most of the time sprain. Sprains and bruises are very difficult but very easy to cure in homeopathy. For sprain, the first and foremost medicine is arnica. Take the arnica medicine in 30 potency, 3 doses in a day for 3 days. Same thing, arnica lotion will be there, lotion or ointment will be there. You can apply it externally. And a crepe band can be tied to the place where this sprain is there, so that you can restrict the movement of the hand or leg or feet, so that you will effectively control the movement. The treatment will be easy to cure. And if the sprain is little and bruise is more, bruise means wound without blood. Bruise is very hard and there will be big swelling also. In such cases, Rustox 30 is the remedy. It should be given internally in 30 potency 3 times a day for 3 days. If the injury is some blood is coming out and the veins are cut, externally blood veins are there. If the veins are cut and light blood is oozing and injury is also there, then hemomylase 30 potency, 3 doses in a day for 3 days. Externally, hemomylase tincture can also be applied. Hemomylase tincture or ointment can also be applied. So, with this small easy medicines, we can cure ourselves in the home without going to doctor. Some small sprains and bruises with good homeopathy medicines. Thank you very much.